We are the Department of Agriculture. We provide seeds to the farmers, basically high quality seeds. Also we do seedlings.
Right.
So if you want to sow your seeds yourself, you can come and buy the seeds from us. Or if you don't want to go through that process, you can come and buy the seedlings from us.
Okay, so when you start to plant, you would like to, it's preferable to plant late in the evening, and as the evening temperatures will be as low as possible to plant and reduce the amount of stress that is going through when you're transplanting. If you're transplanting, you try to disturb the roots as least as possible to avoid any form of wilting and stress on the plant itself and damaging of the roots itself. Okay. So if you're direct seeding, you could either use 2 or 3 seeds per hole, or if you're not sure of the germination percentage.
So now I have my plants planted. How often do I have to water them?
I recommend you water twice per day, in the morning and in the evenings. But if you don't have the time to do that, I recommend you at least 1 time a day in the afternoon, a good heavy dose of water. But that's if it's a seedling. When the plant is growing to maturity, you need twice per day.
Some of the herbs can be a lot easier to deal with. They help and even try to keep keep some of the pests away.
How to get rid of pests?
Okay, well, given that it's a backyard setting and you don't have a large amount of plants, the best thing to do is do scouting. You walk through your plant, your farm, and you touch the plant and look for any insect pests that you see. If you see them, you want to take them off and destroy them. That way, you're going to avoid applying any chemicals on your plant. That means your plant is already wholesome to use at any time.
Join us next week as we speak about reaping, harvesting, and food preparation.